You should not fast forward. That is the question. Hey, fellow collectors, today we're going to be talking about DC Universe Classics The Question. Now, this guy is a little bit like Rorschach. He hides his face, but this guy has a chemical compound that hides his face from viewing, and so nobody knows who he is, and he will always ask a question. That is his gimmick. He's a detective, if nothing else. But Batman has called him paranoid. So we'll take a look at the figure itself, and he can look right and left. Does not really have much articulation going up and down, but has some. His shoulders can go all the way around, has bicep swivel, and a one bend at the elbow. His wrists do rotate around, but the jacket here kind of prevents it. And speaking of the jacket, he has this vest. And so he can do no real ab crunch because of that. Now his legs do come out, and they could do somewhat of a split, but this is what you get. And forward and backwards, you get more of that cape in the way. So he does have a thigh swivel and a bend in the knee, and his ankle does have forward and back motion. But most of the time he will be like this, looking at you, asking you questions. So we look at the height of this figure. We can see that he does come in at 6.5 inches. And the figure will weigh 2.6 ounces. So as I set him back up here, he will fit in line with the Marvel Universe and the G.I. Joe Classics. So the question is one of those figures that you can question if you want to have him in your collection. I have him because he's just one of those weird characters from the DC that everybody seems to either like or hate. So as always, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and keep collecting.